is a face pull. So I'm at my home gym, so I don't have a cable machine that you can adjust. So normally a cable machine, you can pull out the lever and they adjust. And what you want to do is you want to go right directly to wherever you're looking at. So that's where you want to go. Me, I don't have that, so what I'm going to do is this. This is a face pull. You want to step off, because like I say, we never want to just start off and clank. You want to step off. I like standing like this. And then you bring it almost like you're going to crack your nose with the middle of the rope. And your hands, so you stand towards the rope, palms are facing each other, like hammer curl. Don't do it like the other way, where your palms are facing out. You do it where your palms are facing towards each other. Pull it back and crack your nose. Now I'm going to go real heavy here, because this is where people mess up. Go extremely heavy, so much you have to wrestle it off of the cable. You're going to plant yourself with your feet, abs are tight. Even if you have to swing it a little bit, stretch your scapula apart, and then boom, squeeze those rear delts.